Alright. Hey kitties, it's me. Back in another video. And today I'm gonna be making my Mega Whisper. So I did get some trades today. I did trade a couple actually. Whatever. I traded my Mega Cheetah for this OP was like 10. And it's could plus got 2 butterflies, so then butterfly first. So yes. I did this because I did this. But yeah, so those are the trades I did today. I had a good trading today, and I was working on Mega Whisper. This is my last neon. To zero up full. And I'm about to use Age because it's sunshine. It's going to be only 2 or 1. It doesn't matter. But yeah. Alright. So those, then let's go to the neon cave. Let me show you my inventory looking currently. So now, finally, I have quite a bit randoms that I can just simply trade for anything. Because like people be offering me stuff and I'm like, oh, sorry, no, I don't really have anything I can trade for that, you know? So my inventory is like me making neons and stuff. So, but now I do that I can like easily just trade whatever. Yeah, and I'm starting to like my inventory a lot more. And it's because when you like your inventory, you want to play more, you know? Oh, y'all are making sense. But yes, so now I can finally lock my Brachiosaurus, this one, because it's an OG Skittles. I can trade my other Mega Brachiosaurus stuff. So, if y'all want to offer, y'all can. If y'all want to offer any of my pets, just let me know in the comments what you're offering. Whatever. Yes. Oh, so he's making it's like a neon painting. Let's see. Oh, I love bird. Kitty kitty. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know what to name it. I guess. Just look at this kitty. It's not right. It's not. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Look how cute this one is. Let's see, should I put it? I could. Alright. W. Now, I'm working on my jellyfish. Number 2. Yeah, now I'm making my neon jellyfish, and then after my jellyfish, I might make my alley cat. And then from then on, I don't know. It really just depends. Or at that point, I might do puffer and stuff, and then work on my other megas that I have. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it out of here. Oh no, take it out. And there we go. I added some of my trades to the thing. So people can vote. I don't know about. But yeah, so, oh, jellyfish sits so cute. Yeah, so have a good day or night. Love y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.